for all of you out there that have been hitting me about doing a real estate event, okay, we have it on our calendar now. I'm going to show you how I started with no money. And we built a $2.5 billion real estate portfolio. For some of you out there, they're like, man, how do you buy a Gulfstream 550 selling books? You don't. Okay, the way you do that, this book right here became an international phenomenon. Okay, it's been translated in multiple languages. It's done us really well, but it's sold more video and more audio than it has books. I'm looking for something to show you. But we didn't buy this plane because, where's my hat?
It's on my head.
We didn't buy this plane or the lifestyle that we have. Oh, it's on your head. Because of selling books and programs, okay? We did it because we bought real estate. Cardone Capital is now almost 10,000 apartments. I started with $3,000. We buy assets like this one, 300 units in Orlando, Florida, $50 million. I started with $3,000, keep that in mind. Stella Riverstone, a $70 million project in Houston, Texas, Sugarland, Texas. This thing will cash flow for the next 10 years before I refinance it and get all our money out. I'll show you exactly how to do this. This property right here in Austin, Texas, 88 acres of land. It was $101 million. I've had offers over 140. I've only owned it 3 years. It cash flows 2, 3, 4% a year. This year it'll probably do 6%. And I'm already $40 million in the plus, okay? People have been telling you for years. Here's another deal, Delray Beach, 356 units. I think we paid $92 million for this. I could probably sell this today for $122 million. That's a $30 million gain. And our family and our investors earn income, plus we don't pay taxes on the income, plus when we refinance the property, we can get all our cash out of it without paying a tax gain. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Woodway Square in Houston, Texas. I think this was 90 million. Probably, I could sell it before the weekend's over for 120. 9,000 units, cash flow, depreciation, tax write-off, appreciation, 2 and 3 and 4x returns on our investments. Go ask Ron what's going on. And folks, look, if you're going to create wealth, you have to have assets. This is the easiest asset class in the world to buy, including a house or a business. The easiest asset class. Anybody can do this regardless of your color, your race, your age, or your religion, okay? Even your education won't keep you from doing it. I'm gonna spend 3 days sharing with you exactly how I started with no money. My first deal was $3,000, a $78,000 asset that I bought with virtually no money, $3,000. I borrowed the $3,000, by the way, to buy the house. I made $200 a month on a $3,000 investment, $2,400 return on a $3,000 investment. That's 80% return on my money, okay? And I've been changing the game, my game, and doing it, learning how to actually expand my thinking from one single family house to flipping a house to like, okay, how do I buy 38 units? How do I buy 78 units? How do I buy 92 units? Is the camera straight right now? Because it looks like my camera girl's got me crooked, okay? There she is. So look, you guys asked me to do this. I added 3 days on my calendar this year to do a 3-day live event. Come with me, champ. A 3-day live event where I'm going to teach you the information in this little book right here, how to create wealth. Boom, boom. How to create wealth investing in real estate, okay? We took this book, this simple little book that I'll send to you for free right now when you sign up, okay? I'll send it to you. Because I want you to start on this. I want you to start on this simple little book, okay? On what is the ideal asset class to buy? What is the location of the ideal asset? There's an A to Z checklist in here. If you follow this A to Z checklist and you lose money, I will pay you the money that you lose. If you do each of the A to Z that I have in chapter 6, your first deal, if you hit everything between A and Z and you lose money, I will pay you the money back. When you come to our class, I'm going to show you underwrite a deal. You're going to get to pitch your deal to the other investors in the room. There'll probably be about 500 people there in person, 3 days in Miami, and you'll be able to pitch your deals to a group of people that are qualified to invest in real estate, that are interested in real estate. Maybe you find your partner there. Maybe you find your money partner or your debt partner there, but you'll have a chance to pitch your best deal. Maybe you pitch the deal, we're taking off now. Woo! I'm getting laid back because of the real estate attack. The G-forces. I'm getting pinned. I'm pinned in. Click the link. Click the link. Click the link. It's a liftoff. We're going to Cabo San Lucas. I'll send you the book. 3-day course. 3 days. Me the entire time. 3-day course. Me the entire time. Okay. I'll show you the game. I'll show you the game. Okay, how to get a deal under contract, how to negotiate a deal, how to get the best price in the deal, how to buy a deal with no money down, how to raise money from investors, how to get a loan, how to get debt, how to refinance a deal, how not to pay taxes on a deal, how to 1031 exchange a deal. Folks, I've done 40 deals, $2.5 billion worth of real estate under management today. Probably been involved in over $3 billion of real estate transactions. I don't even know how many deals I've looked at in my career. Hundreds of thousands, literally hundreds of thousands of units I've either walked through, looked at, underwritten, and I can show you exactly how to play the game, how to do the game. What are we doing, guys? Why are we going this way? This is the craziest, this is the flight from hell right here, okay? So make sure you get a chance to come to this workshop. 3 days in Miami. I'm live the whole time. I'll be bringing some of my friends in to speak to you about what they're doing in the real estate game, how to get apartments, how to buy single family, how to flip a house, how to refinance, how to get the first loan, the second loan, the third loan, how to take money out of a deal and not pay taxes. You want to create wealth? Learn how to put money down, and 5 or 6 years, 3, 5, 6 years later, go back and get that money and not pay taxes on the game. Let's go. Hit the link. I'll show you how to play the game, and I'll send you my book for free. Get started on this. You get started on this before you get there, and then bring your deal. I might be a partner with you.